In a world where appearances matter more than ever, taking care of your skin is not just a trend, but a necessity. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on skincare for men, where we break down the essential steps and debunk myths surrounding male grooming. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of self-care, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to achieving healthy, radiant skin that boosts your confidence and empowers you every day. Understanding male skin. Before we delve into the skincare routine, it's essential to understand the unique characteristics of male skin. Men's skin is typically thicker and oilier than women's due to the presence of more and larger sebaceous glands. This can make men more prone to issues such as acne, blackheads, and excessive shine. Additionally, men's skin tends to age differently, often experiencing more pronounced wrinkles and sun damage as they get older. The core skincare routine. The core skincare routine consists of 3 simple but crucial steps: cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Let's break down each step and explore its significance in achieving healthy, glowing skin. Cleansing. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine. It helps remove dirt, excess oil, and impurities that accumulate on your skin throughout the day. For men, who often face environmental pollutants and sweat, regular cleansing is essential. Opt for a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that won't strip away your skin's natural oils. Wash your face twice daily, morning and night, and consider using a separate exfoliant once or twice a week to unclog pores and promote cell turnover. Moisturizing. Moisturizing is a critical step in keeping your skin hydrated and nourished. Contrary to popular belief, even oily skin needs moisturizing to maintain its balance. Look for lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizers that won't clog pores. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin are excellent ingredients to keep your skin hydrated without feeling greasy. Remember, well-moistured skin is more resilient and less prone to premature aging. Sun protection. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend, no matter your gender. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is vital to prevent sunburn, premature aging, and even skin cancer. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and make it a part of your daily routine, even on cloudy days. Choose lightweight, non-greasy formulas that blend seamlessly into your skin. Addressing specific skincare concerns. While a basic skincare routine lays a strong foundation, addressing specific concerns can take your skin to the next level. Let's explore some common skincare issues men might encounter and the best practices to tackle them. Acne and blemishes. Acne and blemishes can affect men of all ages. To combat this, opt for products containing salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to target acne-causing bacteria and unclog pores. Be patient with acne treatments, as results may take time. Avoid picking or squeezing blemishes, as it can lead to scarring and further irritation. Razor burn and ingrown hairs. For men who shave regularly, razor burn and ingrown hairs can be bothersome. Always use a sharp, clean razor and shave in the direction of hair growth to reduce irritation. Consider using a pre-shave oil and a soothing aftershave balm containing ingredients like aloe vera to calm the skin post-shave. Dark circles and puffiness. Late nights and stress can lead to dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. Combat these issues by getting enough rest and incorporating an eye cream with antioxidants and caffeine into your routine. Gently tapping the eye cream around the eye area can help reduce swelling and improve circulation. A holistic approach to skincare. Achieving healthy skin goes beyond just topical products. A holistic approach to skincare involves considering other lifestyle factors that impact your skin's health. Diet and hydration. What you eat and drink plays a significant role in your skin's appearance. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential vitamins and antioxidants to nourish your skin from within. Also, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Sleep and stress management. Adequate sleep is crucial for skin rejuvenation and repair. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Additionally, manage stress through relaxation techniques, exercise, and hobbies you enjoy. Chronic stress can lead to skin issues like breakouts and dullness. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity not only benefits your overall health but also improves blood circulation, which enhances your skin's natural glow. Sweat helps flush out toxins, so remember to cleanse your face after exercising. Conclusion. Gentlemen, remember that skincare is not about achieving perfection but embracing and enhancing your natural beauty. With a consistent skincare routine, coupled with a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve healthy, radiant skin that boosts your confidence and supports your overall well-being. So, go ahead, take that extra step towards self-care, and embrace the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey of skincare for men. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on skincare, health, and self-improvement. Until next time, take care and stay radiant.